Have you ever felt like life keeps breaking you slowly? One setback hits, and suddenly everything feels too heavy again. You wonder why others stay calm while you collapse inside. It's not luck they have, it's mental strength they built. A strength you can't see, but everyone around can feel. It doesn't shout, doesn't flash, it stands quiet and steady. That kind of mind becomes a shield against daily chaos. If you're still watching this, you already want that power. This video will guide you to unlock your strongest self, not by pretending, by building real strength from the inside out.
Most people run from pain, but pain builds something better. Mental strength is forged in discomfort, not comfort or control. The late nights, the failures, the heartbreaks, they are your gym. Every no you've heard was shaping something inside you. Each challenge isn't punishment, it's preparation for the next level. Your mind is like muscle. Without resistance, it stays soft. Take the easy path, and life will feel harder later. But if you face struggle now, power starts to grow. You don't need a perfect plan, you need a starting step. A moment where you say, I keep going, no matter. He was over 300 pounds, broken, and completely lost. Trapped in a job he hated, dreading every morning. Then one night, he saw soldiers pushing through cold waves. They bled, smiled, and didn't quit. It lit a fire. To join them, he had to lose 100 pounds fast. So at 4 a.m., he ran through aching legs. After work, he ran again, sweat soaking every step. Every night, a voice whispered, "Quit, no one cares." He answered with action, pain, breath, and burning lungs. He didn't stop, he transformed. And so can you today.
Want strength? First, stop doing what drains you silently. 1. Stop complaining. It makes your brain expect more defeat. Feel something rising? Name it, move, fix it, or release. 2. Stop chasing comfort. It hides growth behind false safety. Hard reps, cold showers, scary calls, they all build strength. 3. Stop making excuses. They feel safe, but steal time. Say, I don't have time, and time slips away. Instead, take one small action to reclaim your power. Walk 10 minutes. Send that message. Breathe 5 deep breaths. Small steps prove one thing. You still control your direction forward. You don't need a louder voice. You need deeper roots. Mental strength isn't flashy. It's quiet choices made each day. Discipline isn't motivation. It's doing what matters, even when hard. Build systems, not dreams. Systems carry you through every low. And when pressure hits, don't break, just breathe and respond. Your strength grows silently, day by day, breath by breath. Right now, choose discomfort. Take one step into the unknown. That version of you that never quits, already inside you. Don't wait for the right moment. Create it by moving. Your future self is watching. Make them proud, starting right now.